Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Have you ever wished for a simpler, more precise way to bring your tattoo designs to life, right there on the skin? For artists, does the thought of a perfect stencil every single time excite you? And for beginners, imagine a tool that eliminates the most daunting part of the process, getting that design accurately transferred. Well, get ready because today we're reviewing the game-changing tattoo printer for skin, a revolutionary thermal stencil machine designed for both beginners and seasoned artists. First up, let's talk about the wireless thermal tattoo stencil printer itself. This isn't just any printer. It's a high-performance, precision instrument engineered to deliver outstanding print results. Forget the days of fuzzy, unclear hand-drawn stencils that leave you second-guessing. This machine is equipped with a premium printing head that ensures faster and incredibly sharper performance. Imagine, no more blurry lines, no more smudge transfers, just perfect, high-resolution stencils every single time. For professional artists, this means an instant boost in efficiency and consistency, allowing you to focus purely on your artistry. For beginners, it's a massive confidence booster, ensuring your foundation is flawless and setting you up for success. This printer elevates your work, making every piece look more professional right from the start. It's about transforming your creative vision into a tangible, perfect guide on the skin effortlessly. Now, let's move to something truly revolutionary. Its portable inkless design and incredible battery life. Weighing in at only 1 pound and boasting a super slim profile, this isn't just a printer. It's your mobile tattoo studio. It's more than 50% smaller than traditional tattoo transfer machines, making it unbelievably easy to carry. Slip it into your handbag, backpack, or even a small carry-on, and you're ready to go. Whether that's to a convention, a client's home, or just moving around your studio. But here's the kicker. It's completely inkless. Think about the savings, the mess you avoid, and the hassle of running out of ink mid-project. This thermal technology means you never have to buy ink cartridges again, reducing your running costs and environmental footprint. And for true on-the-go freedom, it's packed with 2 robust 1,500 mAh batteries, letting you print over 300 pages on a single full charge. That's enough power for days, even weeks, of tattooing without needing to find an outlet. Convenience, reliability, and ultimate portability. What more could you ask for? But how do you get those amazing designs onto the printer? That's where the intuitive and incredibly easy-use app comes in. This isn't just a basic driver. It's a fully featured creative hub. The app offers a seamless experience with quick and auto connection, meaning you're printing in seconds, not minutes. It boasts various photo editing functions, allowing you to fine-tune your designs directly from your phone or PC. And for beginners, prepare to be amazed. It comes loaded with plenty of free tattoo images on a template layer, giving you a fantastic starting point. Professionals will appreciate the detailed settings for tattoo images, offering granular control over every aspect of the transfer. Whether you're on iOS or Android, the app has been refined over years and is continuously updated with new functions, ensuring you always have the latest tools at your fingertips. It transforms your mobile device into a powerful design and printing station, making the entire workflow smoother and more enjoyable. And here's a fantastic bonus. This isn't just a tattoo stencil printer. This multifunctional stencil printer also supports inkless document printing. With the included A4/letter size thermal paper, you can print receipts for customers, important documents for your studio, or anything else you might need. Whether you're in the office, at school, on-site, or at home. It's an incredibly versatile tool that adds even more value to an already impressive package. So, if you're ready to elevate your tattoo game, streamline your workflow, and enjoy unparalleled convenience and precision, the tattoo printer for skin is an absolute must-have. It's designed to empower artists and beginners alike, transforming your creative process and delivering stunning results every time. Don't miss out on this game-changing technology that brings professional-grade stencil printing right to your fingertips. If you're as excited about this as I am, you can find the link to purchase this incredible tattoo printer for skin in the description below.